Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the easiest, sweetest keto snack ever. I am currently trying to lose some weight for summer, so I'm doing the keto diet for a bit. So I'm going to start off with some strawberries. I have 5 chopped strawberries. Some are really large, some are small. Just cut them to your liking. I have some monk fruit sweetener, some chia seeds, and some sour cream. You can also add nuts to this if you'd like, but I prefer not to. So I'm going to add some chia seeds, about 1 tablespoon of monk fruit sweetener, and about 3 tablespoons of sour cream, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, once you have added everything, go ahead and mix everything well and enjoy. It should look something like this, and this is so good. I hope you guys enjoy this, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.